Hi everyone. Welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to create a poll on Instagram. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you. Open the Instagram app. Tap on your profile picture at the top left of your feed or swipe right from anywhere in the feed to access the story camera. Choose one form your gallery. Once you have your photo or video, tap on the sticker icon at the top, a square smiley face. Select the poll sticker from the available options. Type in your question in the Ask a Question field. Customize the poll options by tapping on the yes and no fields to type in your desired responses, up to 26 characters each. Move the poll sticker around the screen to position it where you want. You can resize the poll by pinching in or out. Once you're satisfied with your poll, tap on the Your Story button at the bottom to share it with your followers. By following these steps, you can easily create and share a poll on your Instagram story to engage with your audience and gather their opinions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.